Here's how to set up for making tax digital for VAT in Xero. Start by entering your VAT number into Financial Settings. When you open Xero's VAT return for the first time, you can select to use the MTD VAT return. Xero prompts you to sign up to MTD with HMRC. Use your government gateway details to log in to HMRC and sign up if you haven't done so already. You will receive a confirmation email within 72 hours once received. Select Continue after signing up in Xero. Connect your Xero organisation to HMRC and grant authority. You're now ready to prepare and submit MTD VAT returns in Xero. If you've got any other questions about MTD, talk to your local Rosemary bookkeeper, and if you want to learn more about Xero, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.